Here's how I do the blend, set, bake technique. Let's do it. Okay, I have foundation on right now, but I didn't bring it up to the under eye area. If you can see there, I kept that blank. So now I'm gonna go in with some concealer, apply it on, blend it out. Here's where it gets good. So now we need to set this into place. On this eye, I'm gonna use just a loose setting powder. It's translucent, and I'm lightly going to press that into that concealer to set that into place and to mattify it. We're not baking right now, that's key. We just wanna lightly set this into place. And for this side, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder in the shade number 2. I was reading in the comments that a lot of people like using this for the under eye, and it is nice. But don't get too caught up here with the products that I'm using. You don't have to go out and get anything, just use what you have. It's the technique that matters most. So right now, the under eyes are set and mattified. So we've blended, we've set, and now we're baking with a loose powder. I'm using Huda Beauty in the shade Pound Cake right now, and this is really gonna brighten up this inner corner of the eye, and it's also gonna lock this makeup into place all day long. By the way, if you need a powder puff, you can pick these up on Amazon. I don't have a storefront, but you can just type in triangle powder puffs or something, and these will pop up. They're cheap and cheerful. I like to leave this powder on for at least 5 to 10 minutes while I'm doing my eye makeup or something, and then I'll take a brush and gently start wiping this powder away. Now, if you're extra like me and you like a lot of coverage underneath the eyes, then you can go in with a powder foundation on top of this brush and use that to wipe away this powder as well. It's at this point, once I have the under eye powder removed, that I then go in with the finishing touches like blush and highlighter. I still have to smoke out my lower lash line, but that's pretty much it. I hope this helps.